Probably guess you already know where this place is if you have walked past it before.
She said people can leave, yeah. People deceive, yeah. But girl, I'm not people. Get that into your head. I know I don't always see.
I'm the speed sniffer. Now this bike is with pedals, no bottom stages, 7.2, Kelvin bike is 7 kilos, moment of truth.
You in my bed. Lil'
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today is a very exciting day for me because it's my new bike collection day. I waited for the SL8 frame for a long time. So today we're finally gonna collect it and then we'll film the bike build process also. Okay, so the weather today is damn hot. Let's go inside, get some aircon and then we can see the frame.
need a little cologne, so they hit me on the phone. See how far I let it go. I don't care about the interest. I ain't leaving.
Yo! Hey, hi! Hey, welcome! Say congrats! The bike is arrived finally! Finally, after a few months.
So this is the new bike day.
This is the frame, is it?
This is the frame that you indicated you wanted. So it's not easy to get.
Yeah.
So this one was I kept for you specifically.
Thank you.
Okay. Now let me show you.
I appreciate it.
Unboxing.
Okay.
Fresh, haven't opened yet.
One, two. Wow. Looks good in the light.
Yeah, it pops.
Yours. You drop now.
What's the sniff test like?
I'm the speed sniffer.
Right, you want to take it out, go ahead, see the sunlight.
Yeah. Actually, I've never held one of these before. Is it as light as they say it is?
It's yours. So hard to get.
Precious, huh? So handlebar, we got it in 380mm with 115mm stem. Group set we are using Giro Ace. The cassette will be 1134 and the crank is 165 5034. My plan for this bike is actually that I want to bring it to Europe to ride mountains and climbs. So I opted for the easier gear ratios, and also during the last trip to Chiang Mai I thought that the climbs were really steep, so I decided to make my life easier. The plan is mainly to have this as like a bike for traveling. So I'm going to Mallorca in 2 weeks time, so just nice to get the bike frame and then we can test it out over there. Kevin, how long do you think we will take to build the bike? Oh, what's a record? 30 minutes. So this is Kelvin, he's the chief mechanic at Specialized Bukit Pasoh. I have no idea about building bikes, so that's why we need his help today also.
welcome, this is your life now. The wasteland where we all take a vow. Two heads where there usually is one.
get it around.
Look like you have trouble putting on the rubber.
Yeah, almost finished one side.
In this land, melodies fade fast, but not us. We will make it last. With you, I know we'll find our way through the fallout, come what may. With every mutation, we'll embrace the change. With you, I know we'll find our way through the fallout, come what may. In this new reality, we will embrace the change. We'll rearrange. In every challenge we face, you take it on with grace. I try to better myself when steps I rearrange. With it.
The only part about the bike building process I know is how to use high power and how to put the front and the rear wheel on after that.
Putting on the bar tip now. Almost done already. More eye power. Actually, not even 2 hours finish already. Yeah. Nowadays that's the chain and then that's it already.
Yeah.
If we try to do it, I think we will try for 6 hours then.
Whole day, I think likely to be whole day. Keep, take out, put back.
So the bike is built. Just a quick run through is a size 52 frame with 380mm bars, 115 stem. I have decided to put 50-34 for the crank. It's easier for climbing, and then the cassette is 34 tooth as well. Robel's CLX2 comes with the SLP ceramic speed headset, and also I got the ceramic speed BB to come with it as well. Now this bike is with pedals, no bottom stages. 7.2. Kelvin, what do you think?
I think 7 kilos.
Okay, moment of truth. Wow! Man of experience. With one carry, you know, this is 7 kg bike. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was an honor to have my bike built by you. Good answer. So now what we're gonna do is we go and test ride.
I saw you looking for the side door. You didn't want to stick around for the rest of the night.
Nice. I like it.
I guess that's alright. They all left when you walked home.
Thank you for your support.
It makes sense that they all know.
On the bike, I think the hook felt a little bit low. I went for a slightly longer handlebar stem this time. Wanted to see whether I could be a little bit more stretched.
You want to stop by to adjust your bike? Yeah, you can stop in front.
Yeah, quick one.
What seems to be the problem?
Because just now when I raised this thing, then this one I tilted it in a little bit more. Let's try it again. First ride is not enjoyment ride, it's a troubleshooting ride. Much better now.
The bike feel more powerful? Do you get 3 watts out of it?
Not that I can tell yet. You need time to get used to it, I think.
but they always say comfort is king, right?
That's why for now I feel comfortable. The question is whether after like 4 hours, I will still be comfortable or not. With the F12 now, right, I really dialed it in already. So 5-6 hours, I don't feel a single thing.
I guess your best bet is to really mimic your F12 setup.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do now. Trying to see whether I can try to copy as many of the measurements. No matter how, it's still 2 different bikes with 2 different geometries.
I mean, I would say they're quite similar, but you get a hang of it lah.
Yeah. The F12 bar was about a 380mm one, but then for some reason this one feels a little bit wider, a little bit more bus driver kind of feeling.
Bus driver aerodynamics, man. That's the best.
Actually, I really like the color. Yesterday when we were building it up and I saw it like come into place, I was like, wow, definitely the right decision. Because at first I had to wait for the white color frame, but actually it's been a while since I had a bike with some color, some gloss.
The more important question is, did your wallet feel lighter after that?
Yeah, definitely lighter than the bike. But it's okay. Money can't buy you happiness, but it can buy you a new bike.
After the ride, I had a bit of neck ache, so I sent it back to the shop to get more adjustments done. Throughout the last 1 week, I have been making small adjustments to my position after each ride and fine-tuning the bike to get everything in order. At the time of posting this, I think I've gotten everything in place and it feels much better now than when I first rode on it. I can't wait to bring it to Mallorca and enjoy the ride there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys on the other side.